first, thank you everyone. My name is Matt Gatellis. I'm the founder and CEO of Patient IQ. Today I'm going to be talking about the importance of patient-reported outcomes, value-based care, but more importantly, how do you operationalize this new reality that's becoming required by CMS and other payers. So a little bit about us, Patient IQ. We're a healthcare software company and we're local. We're actually headquartered right here in Chicago. Our company was founded in 2016 and we've been growing quite rapidly across the US market. Today we're deployed at about 250 hospitals and health systems, and our core mission as a technology vendor is to empower healthcare providers and clinical teams to practice what we call as data-driven medicine. So what's data-driven medicine? It's this very simple idea that using technology integrated with the medical record, we can help you, providers, systematically collect patient-reported outcomes on every single patient that walks through the doors of your clinic. We can also do this in a manner that actually improves and enhances the patient experience. With Patient IQ, we're building what we call as the Patient IQ network. This is so we can connect health systems and providers all across the US and the world so you can share and collaborate with your de-identified data. So I just wanted to introduce this principle before I talk a little bit more. But first, before I keep going, so what's the core problem that we're solving at Patient IQ? So for anyone who's ever worked in a complex clinical setting, you'll know that it's actually very difficult to measure patient outcomes. So I won't spend too much time talking about the technical details, but I just for a moment want to explain how this all works. So Patient IQ, we work very closely with the electronic health record vendors. So we have partnerships with about 25 EHR vendors, including the name brand vendors that you know, such as Epic and Cerner. So let's say you're a surgeon and you work at a hospital that uses Epic. What Patient IQ does is we integrate with Epic so that whenever you schedule a surgery, such as a surgery scheduled 30 days in the future, we're automatically going to detect that on your surgical calendar, and then we're going to start collecting this data from the patient starting 30 days before surgery. So the one thing I want you to know is that we have your back. So what does that actually mean? For every patient that you evaluate in your clinic and you determine them to be a surgical candidate, you're now going to be mandated to collect a preoperative Hoos Jr. score or Hoos Jr. score, which is a survey from the patient. You're going to have to collect the same data again at 1 year post-op from the patient. So first, it's an operational challenge to collect all of that data, but also I think there's going to have a lot of unintended consequences on the industry. Because not only does CMS require collecting the data, they actually are going to financially reimburse you by the amount the patient improves.